Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 344, cleaning up old applications. Are you getting emails from Microsoft about unused applications in Entra ID? Are you seeing a bunch of applications with names related to portals? What should you do with those? Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In tip 318, we talked about the application ID and how the Entra ID application is used by the Power Pages web server to communicate with Dataverse. The application is automatically created when your Power Pages site is created. The name of the application has changed over the years. You might see Microsoft CRM Portals, or Portals followed by a dash and then a GUID. The naming convention these days is Portals dash the name of the site when it was created. When a site is deleted, the application is not deleted. It will continue to exist until you delete it manually. So, if you're sure that the site associated with the application is gone, feel free to clean up your list of applications by deleting those unused ones. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 344 on cleaning up old applications useful.